Hey y'all, and welcome to Watch Cheryl Scrap for day 23 of Scraptember and 30 days of sketches. Today, I'm not sure who created the sketch. It kind of looks like a page maps sketch, but I'm not sure. And our prompt today is to use hearts. So the sketch comes with a kind of sketchy painted heart in the background, but I decided to just use a thin outline of a heart, and I pulled it from one of my digital templates as well as the stacked background papers. So I pulled those in, but the rest of it is pulled from the sketch. And I did take out the journal strips, and I just had 3 different labels because I really didn't have a lot to write about this. It's just me and my husband at my mom's for dinner in June. And so, yeah, I converted the photos to black and white, and I like how that is a really good contrast with the reds and pinks on this page and the kind of muted blacks as well. So, contrary to other layouts that I have made for Scraptember and 30 Days of Sketches, I did not add a ton of embellishments. So this video is really short because I didn't have a lot to add. I have the heart in the bottom corner there with the 2 flowers. And then I did add those stamps, the black stamps in the background. So here's where I'm adding in the labels. And I do add a couple of word strips as well. I do have one up at the top, the I love you. I put the little strip that says I heart you, and then XOXO above this washi tape right here. And that's going to do it. Thanks for joining me for this video, and I will see you tomorrow for day 24. Thanks. Bye.